Today we'll be viewing the Brother KE-430 HS. It's a heavy-duty bar tack, and it can be utilized for multiple applications. Webbing, bar tack on belt loops, denim, all type of reinforcement, bar tacks, molly tacks, tactical product. You can even convert this machine into a box X machine by changing the clamping system on it. And there is also an optional software that you can purchase where you can create different patterns, bar tacks. You can change the pitch, you can change the stitch length, and you could save hundreds of patterns onto a USB and have access to them through USB on the machine. We can just download them directly to the KE-430, and you'll be ready to go. Now, some of these patterns, if they're odd shapes or say vertical bar tacks, you'll have to change the tooling on it. That's just normal with any bar tack that you would purchase. More information in regards to thread sizes you can utilize with this machine. You can utilize anywhere from Tex 20 cotton thread to 138 nylon or bonded nylon thread, no problem. It also has a large capacity bobbin. It's got a Japanese hook, race, needle bar. It's got very good quality components. Brother's known for the durability, also superior electronics that last for many years. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or you need advice or on any project that you might have or need some guidance, we'd be happy to help you. Call us at 1-888-492-5553. Keep America sewing, guys.